What if I told you your mortgage could be costing you money and you don't even know it? Maraming homeowners ang nag-sign ng mortgage and after that, hihintayin na lang ang renewal. Pero ang tanong, what if there's an opportunity in between? Because habang tumatagal, nagbabago ang interest, nagbabago ang income mo, nagbabago ang family situation at financial goals mo. Pero ang mortgage mo, na-review mo na ba kung bagay pa rin siya sa current situation mo? The mortgage that worked for you a few years ago might not be the best fit for you today. What if there's an opportunity to save thousands in interest, pay off your mortgage years sooner, or improve your cash flow? Wouldn't you want to know? Your mortgage is one of the biggest financial commitments you'll ever have. Kaya hindi siya dapat set it and forget it. If you'd like me to review and monitor your mortgage and let you know if there's an opportunity to save on interest, pay off your mortgage faster, and improve your cash flow, comment monitor and I'll send you the link to get started at no cost. You don't have to keep checking your mortgage. I will. If I see an opportunity, I'll let you know.